YouTube has added a new feature that helps negate fake news and the spread of misinformation. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be telling you about YouTube's new fact check in search feature. Now let's get started. The new fact check feature is something that YouTube has introduced to help people be more aware of what the truth really is when searching for information online. These fact checks will appear at the top of search results with proven information from reliable sources. You'll see the claim being fact-checked, the name of the publisher doing the fact check, a summary of the publisher's fact check finding, and a link to the publisher's article to learn more. These fact checks are provided by publishers approved by YouTube, so you can trust the information you see in these boxes. Since YouTube doesn't create the fact checks themselves, if you happen to disagree with something you see in a fact check, you need to contact the publisher directly. That's everything you need to know about YouTube's new fact check feature. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.